Firdos bar ruye zami ast, hame asto, hame asto, hame ast. Which means, if at all there is paradise on earth, it's here, it's here, it's here. I bring to you this very special edition of Poll Pulse India Decides Lok Sabha 2024 special edition from Firdos itself, from heaven itself, the heaven of on earth, or the paradise on earth, or the Switzerland of India. Yes, that's right, Jammu Kashmir. And here in the heart of Srinagar city, we bring to you the voice of the people of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the poll-bound Jammu and Kashmir, and get you the issues which are going to play a decisive role in these elections. Remember, there are 5 seats in the fray. 2, phases have successfully concluded. There are 3 very, very critical, important constituencies spread over 3 more phases, which are scheduled for the next 2 to 3 weeks. But what is very important to note is that post-abrogation Article 370, and for the first time in many, many decades, the elections in Jammu and Kashmir are being held without the shadow or the fear of gun, turmoil, turbulence, hartals, bands. All that has been put to rest. And yes, first elections post-abrogation of Article 370. But what are the issues that are going to play a decisive role? The issues that are going to be setting the agenda for the Naya Kashmir or the future of the generations of Kashmir. I am very glad to introduce my panel on Poll Pulse from Kashmir. To begin with, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ifra Jah, representing National Conference here, very familiar face. Sitting right next to Ifra is, he's going to give her a tough fight from the BJP, Sajid Yusuf, who doesn't need any introduction. Also, let's put our hands together for Adnan Mir from People's Conference. Also welcoming on the show a very distinguished political voice, scholar from Jammu and Kashmir, Professor Gulwani. बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने का. And with that, I also thank Zafar Mir Saab to join us on the show. Thank you very much. And Sahil Bashir, political activist, social activist on the show. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining us. And on my right, I have the audience from Kashmir who have come to participate and talk their heart out. But before that, let's take a quick look at these 5 important issues or templates or decisive factors which we are going to discuss when it comes to the political dynamics of Kashmir. So we ask, will Lok Sabha polls in Jammu and Kashmir trigger change in political configurations? Right on your screen. We also ask, first polls post-abrogation Article 370, is this going to be the game changer for Jammu and Kashmir? Has delimitation triggered change in political dynamics? That's what we are going to talk with the panelists here. Are we also looking at fresh political configurations on the cards? Because remember, in these polls, there are many fresh political outfits that are in the fray. Some of them are here with us. And also, what are going to be the decisive issues that are going to have a sway or hold grounds in these elections? And last but not the least, is this a big political shift after 2019 Lok Sabha polls? All this we are going to talk. But before that, I must have spent some 72 hours in the valley. This is a home for me. But when every time I come, it's such a pleasure to go around the place. And with a lot of delight, I bring to you this very special package, the feature that I've done with my team, bringing to you the colors of Kashmir, the color of Kashmir, the stunning beauty of Kashmir, and much more. Take a look. Team Poll Pulse has reached poll-bound Jammu Kashmir, the Union Territory of India, located in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. I'm here in world-famous Nishat Bagh or Nishat Gardens, one of the centerpiece attractions of the Kashmir, the beautiful, beautiful Kashmir Valley. One of the centerpiece of attractions of the Kashmir Valley, the world famous Dal Lake, and you can see it continues to be witnessing an uptick in the tourist footfall. These elections here are considered very critical and important and significant because they are the first ones being held post abrogation of Article 370. Elections are zaruri?
Election is zaruri. I'm just çok faydalı lokandı sadece zaruri faydalı lokandı. Cumhuriyet bana hem çok zaruri. But Kastramar vot जो अलग हिसाब बात है मगर जो इशू जरूरी है इलेक्शन जो जरूरी
अच्छा चल रहा काम अच्छा, लेकिन महंगाई तो एक बात में सोचना पड़ेगा, शिकारा जो बनता हमारा वो महंगाई बनती 3 लाख का। अगर हम गवर्नमेंट के रिक्वेस्ट करते हम थोड़ा सा लोन चाहिए 1 लाख 1.5 लाख ताकि नया बना सकते।
वोट देने से कश्मीर का मुस्तकबिल बदल जाएगा। Kashmir is very nice. I think the people rightly say this is Switzerland of India.
कश्मीर बहुत सुंदर जगह है। मेरे ख्याल से अगर कश्मीर आ जाते हो तो आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
कश्मीर खूबसूरत है, जनता बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है, बहुत मिलनसार है, बहुत प्यार से बातें करते हैं।
Lok Sabha elections 2024 are the most significant elections that the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed in decades, free from the fear of terror, conflict, stone pelting, bunds, hartals and much more. Jammu Kashmir is witnessing a multipolar contest between numerous regional heavyweights in the fray, namely National Conference, PDP and other regional outfits like People's Conference, Apni Party as well as Azad Party plus Congress also in the fray. 2 phases of elections have concluded peacefully, but there are 3 most fiercely contested seats that are going to be going into the polls in the next 3 phases. The Anantnag Rajouri seat, the Baramulla seat and the Srinagar seat. Kashmir has undoubtedly witnessed massive transformation in the last 5 years, and that is something that the people of the valley have been vociferously talking about. As I enjoy Kashmiri tea, one of the variants happens to be the Noon Chai or the salt tea besides Kashmiri Kehwa. 4th June is going to be the D-Day when the results will be out, and the decisive mandate for the people of Kashmir, the results will also be out for good. With camera person Rajesh Rikki, this is Sakal Bhatt reporting from Srinagar for DD India. If I'm going to quickly start with you, with what poll promise are you going to the people of Valley asking for votes, especially when in your manifesto, I don't think there is a specific mention of any promise post scrapping of Article 370, but yet your top leadership talks about it.
What promise are we taking to the people? The promise that we are taking to the people is that here we are a political party that will ensure that BJP that ruled Jammu and Kashmir for past 10 years ensured that this proud state was converted into a UT, that for 10 long years people of Jammu and Kashmir were not allowed to cast their vote.
How do you say that they were not allowed to cast their votes?
Assembly elections, there's something called assembly elections. For 10 last years BJP
Nobody
government
cast
has...
votes
please
in
give me
Kashmir?
10 minutes
Okay,
to
no,
speak,
I mean you're making
Just
such
give me a
tall
minute
claims
to
that
speak.
nobody allowed you to cast votes here.
No. For 10 long years, BJP government has not allowed people of Jammu and Kashmir to make their own state government. The last time assembly elections were due was last in 2018. Keeping that aside, anybody in Jammu and Kashmir who at this point wants to talk happens to be critical of the government automatically finds himself or herself arrested under one of the draconian laws.
Okay.
Yeah.
Finish
Finds themselves. The development agenda in Jammu and Kashmir at this point is only a Naya Kashmir Tamasha development agenda. You have a smart city where 1,000 crore rupees are given to paint the lights and polo views.
Okay.
No,
we
finish.
have a full show going.
Finish,
Are you going
Sakal.
to the people with the promise that you're going to do something with Article 370, or like what is your agenda? I want to know. And you talked about smart city when your party was at the helm. Did you make your city smart city?
Our agenda is to ensure that those 1,000 crores that went to the smart city, out of those 1,000 crores, at least 10 crores should have gone to the Gandabal bridge, where Yes, a Gandwal bridge where our children drowned. It was sanctioned in
While Farooq
2017.
Abdullah was the member of
It was
parliament.
sanctioned in
Farooq-
2012.
Hold on,
It was sanctioned in
let me
2012.
respond. Ek second,
Farooq
hold on.
Abdullah
No,
Saab
she's
was the
misleading.
member of
She's
parliament.
misleading.
I'll come
It
to you.
is
I'll come to you.
2012.
I'll
Not
come to
bothered
you.
to visit the family, and she is claiming that yes, the bridge should be made. One point. Second thing, you are talking about the manifesto. Let me tell you what is the manifesto of the National Conference.
You talk about yourselves.
They have a
Don't
hidden,
you have a
they have a hidden
manifesto?
agenda that is parade
Don't
guns.
you have a
Once they will be in
manifesto?
power, they will
Talk
bring
about
back the
your
parade guns.
manifesto.
Once they will be back, they will snap our internet. Once they will be back in the power, they will snap our SMS service. This is the manifesto of the National Conference. And
Says
she-
the
she
party
is claiming-
that gagged
and-
Jammu and
one thing,
Kashmir, that
their-
put
their
the
part-
longest
their party, they were
internet
claiming that we will
shutdown
bring
in
back the
Jammu and
Article
Kashmir
370.
post
Today,
abrogation.
their spokesperson,
You put
Dr.
the
Giri Saab,
longest
he claimed that
abrogation.
we never talk about the
You
Article
put the
370.
longest-
This is
longest-
all thoughts and nothing else.
longest-
They are making
longest internet
National
gag.
Conference.
After
National Conference-
abrogation, we had the
National
longest
Conference sent three-
internet gag in Jammu and
National
Kashmir
Conference
in
sent
entire
three
world
people,
that went
member
for
of
4
parliament.
months.
Are you
Indeed,
going to
Akbar Lon
outshout
Saab,
each
Farooq
other
Abdullah
like
Saab,
this?
and Hassan Madhuri Saab. Can you please tell me what they did in their tenure?
What have your two MPs who are now ready to lose their deposits, Jugal Kishore and Jitendra Singh, done?
That you will not decide.
No,
that
no,
it's
no,
the
that
people,
of-
it's
that
the people of
will
Jammu and
decide
Kashmir
anyway.
who will
Jammu is
decide.
about to
It's
throw
not a
them
national
out.
conference who will decide. It is not a national conference who will decide. It's a people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Hold on,
Let me
BJP.
lighten the mood for my two panelists.
Okay.
I think the National Conference and BJP, they sail in the same boat. There is
Interesting.
no evil, no sin that the BJP has committed which the National Conference has not committed in the last 70 years. You talk
Hold on,
about,
hold on.
she talked about hartals and communication blockade. Did they not do it? She talked about killings.
Never,
How
we never
many?
did it.
Just give me a moment to finish my sentence.
Let him finish.
She
Huh.
talked about killings. She talked about stifling the genuine voices of the people of Kashmir. What did the National Conference do in 87? What did the National
No,
Conference
eh,
do
eh,
between
Adnan,
96 and
okay,
2002?
I'll come-
This election
Okay.
is an election between 1% elites, 1% people who have been the victors versus the 99%
Let me-
victims. Let me
others-
complete it.
yeah. So,
99% victims who are in the graveyards,
Okay,
who are in the
now-
jails,
now,
who have suffered
Adnan,
economically,
Adnan.
who've been
So,
slapped
okay,
under
okay,
PSA.
Okay, I got it. So, what is your blueprint?
Our
People's
blueprint-
Conference,
our
you are
blueprint is-
lambasting only. Hear me out. You are lambasting National Conference. You have completely decimated their report card to ground zero. But what is it that you have to offer to them? There is this conversation. There is this narrative that you have a tacit support coming from your left, from the BJP.
Let me
Is it
clarify.
true?
Let
We
me
want to know.
Clarify that point first. The second point, and I'll come back to your first point later. BJP, in the last elections, BJP polled 1% votes in North Kashmir. In Srinagar seat, they polled 500 votes. So you're telling us that we got 28%. The PDP has got whatever 16%. Let me finish. Independents have got 20%, and the National Conference have got 29%. You're telling us that 1% we are proxies of a party which has 1% votes in
I'm
Kashmir?
just asking. Let's have a clarity on this.
Are
you not in
when our
conversation
opposition
with each
alleges that we have a tacit backing of the BJP,
Do you have-
they should first go back
Do
to
you
the...
have a tacit backing
Absolutely
of the
not.
BJP? Okay,
We have the
point taken.
tacit backing
Sir.
from the people of Kashmir,
that's-
from the people of North Kashmir, from
That's a
Srinagar,
cliche.
from South
You don't
Kashmir.
have a tacit backing from the
Of course
party
not.
sitting
And
right on your
let me
right.
let me come back to you. Ask them the question
Yeah.
about
Can
our
I
poll
respond?
promise.
I mean,
Let me
Farooq,
also finish.
Can I respond,
Come back
Farooq,
to that
quick,
point.
because we can't just have
She can
unpleasant-
respond later.
No. Let me handle this.
We
Okay, good.
we are going to our people with a clear agenda of
Which is?
restoring the dignity of the people of Kashmir.
What
which
is wrong with the dignity of the people of Kashmir?
I don't think our voices are heard. I
So
think there is a lot of stifling of voices. You
Is
have
it?
some draconian laws introduced by the party of my dear panelist. You have
No,
those
you
draconian
have
laws
two parties as your panelists.
wherein
Which are you? The draconian law hinting at which party you're talking?
PSA was introduced by the National Conference, not by the
Okay,
BJP.
okay, let National
BJP has
Conference.
its own fair share.
Okay,
They introduced
so
the
you want to
UAPA.
tell us just-
They
Okay,
introduced
okay,
the UAPA,
Okay,
but they
National
were
Conference
highly
responds
inspired
to
by
the
the National
People's
Conference.
And then I'm going to come to the
1 minute. First thing, PC says they never have been in power. PC was a part of Janta Party. Number two, Prime Minister's position was converted to Chief Minister's position under Sadiq's
And who
government.
accepted that? Who
under
ratified?
Sadiq's government.
Who ratified that erosion?
You know, Adnan, you
we
will
were
have
not.
to let me
we were-
speak now. You know,
the
Sarkar,
People's
let-
Conference
let
did
him-
not have a
let-
chief
let her-
minister.
she's
This
Sadiq
cannot
was
go
not
on.
the
This
People's
can't.
Conference chief
Okay. First thing, PC says they've never been a part of government. PC, Sajad Ghani Lone's father was a part of Sadiq Sahab's government. Under Sadiq Sahab's government, Prime Minister's post was converted to the Chief Minister's post. So let's start there. Number two, it's a PC that says, oh, but what did the National Conference do in 2010? PC was the party that was in power from 2014 to 2019 as
Is
a
it?
part of the BJP government.
need to give me some time.
Let me speak. The Sajad Ghani loan was on a cabinet that imposed the most number of
Okay.
PSAs on people
Okay,
in
let me
Jammu
respond
and
to all
Kashmir.
first.
Why are we
Let me-
going
let-
backwards?
let me-
Why are we going backwards,
We had
Ifra?
the SMS gags, we had the internet
Arey,
gags.
Ifra, why
Let
are we
me-
going backwards? My point is that these elections, sir, these elections are seeing a new first in many ways.
Yeah.
I mean, I as a journalist, I feel tremendous amount of change on ground. And I'll tell you why. I am able to move freely and talk to people freely. I represent National Channel. This was not the case a year ago. I want to know when they go to vote, is this transformation paradigm by the BJP at the center for real? This transformation that they are talking about post abrogation of Article 370.
These elections are being held at an extraordinary moment in the history of Indian politics and also in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. For reasons as you have shown, as you have mentioned, the abrogation of Article 370, legal or illegal, I will not go into that. But that marks a sort of a breakdown, a sort of a paradigm shift in the politics of the Jammu and Kashmir state.
A positive shift?
That's one thing.
Positive
This-
shift?
Not necessarily, because
Okay.
I will keep my fingers crossed on one point.
Sure, sure.
But if you are referring to the peace, please be clear on one thing. Is it positive peace or is it negative peace? Positive peace is sustainable peace.
Okay.
Negative peace is that peace which is actually being maintained or being ensured by the might of the state. We have to be clear on that point.
Sure.
The jury is out.
Sure, sure,
I will
sure.
not just go into what is going to happen. But there's a long task ahead for the Indian state to work on
Sure.
Jammu and Kashmir state. Because India is not merely the elephant in the room Indian state, but more than that, it's the Vishwaguru. It is looking for a major role to play in the regional geopolitics and also in the global arena. From that point of view, I think Indian state has a very important role to play. One thing. The second thing that I, in a way, find a lot of interest in the Kashmiri electorate.
Okay.
In the politics of India rather than in their own politics.
Is it a good
This
thing
is
or a
something
bad thing?
unprecedented.
It
that
is good.
As a
Yes,
commentator,
yes.
as a researcher on Jammu
Yes.
and Kashmir state, I have noticed it. Not even 1977 elections.
Okay.
In 1977, people were obsessed with the local politics, with the native politics.
Okay.
But
okay.
this is for the first time when, in a very calm and quiet manner,
Okay.
at their home,
Okay.
people are watching what is going to happen in the rest of the
This
India
is integration.
and how this power.
There is a sense of connection now that I want to know what is happening outside Jammu and Kashmir. As a Kashmiri, I want to know what is happening in down south. Is it not a positive shift?
It is for other reasons also.
Which are?
Which are that somehow the Kashmir being part of what you call as the periphery of India, as far as its political periphery is concerned, as is the northeast of India, as are the minorities, castes, tribal groups, etc. All those marginal categories have a sense of what you call as being marginalized.
Okay.
And it is in that sense that all the margins have developed extraordinary interest in the center of power, or
Okay.
what you call as in Delhi itself, that how this power is going to be shaped up.
Coming back to 2024 People Conference, I'm going back to what I started this show with. What is it? What is it exactly that you are going to offer to them?
Give me a minute.
Brass
to-
tracks,
Give,
huh.
give me 1 minute to complete my sentence, and then you can
Yes,
take the floor
okay.
to somebody else. And I'll have to go back into history because without history you cannot have a better future. Let me finish. In the last 50 years, since 1975 until now, until 2024, Kashmir division has sent 30 MPs to the parliament. It's a fact, Ifra. You can't
just keep on.
just
Let
deny
him
facts
finish,
also.
let him finish, huh.
National Conference has sent 24 MPs to the parliament.
Okay.
Out of, in Baramulla parliamentary constituency, they've sent 9 out of 10 MPs. You tell me, or let us put
Let
this
him
question
finish.
to the people of Kashmir, that what's it that they have delivered on representing the genuine aspirations of people of Kashmir,
Let him finish. You're not letting him finish.
safeguarding Article 370, which was finally abrogated when their MPs were sitting in the parliament and laughing.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
And what have they done for the development of their constituents?
So therefore,
So I'm saying,
A,
our
B,
party
C, D.
believes.
This
wait,
is what we
wait,
have
wait,
for the electorate of
wait,
Kashmir.
we-
This is what
we-
People's Conference blueprint is for the people of Kashmir.
We are fighting
you
this.
going to?
Of course, if you allow me to speak,
I am
I'll
allowing
complete
you.
that.
Yes.
We are going to the people of Kashmir, especially the people of North Kashmir, with our plank, which is dignity and development, right? And allow me to explain what it means. Dignity is that we still believe that Kashmiris are not treated as equal Indians.
Okay.
We believe that we are treated as unequal Indians, that there are laws, draconian laws, and
Okay.
I will not say who introduced them,
Okay.
which are applicable in Jammu and Kashmir, which are not applicable anywhere else in the country, right? Our youth are being stifled. There is, even though you see a relative calm, relative peace, but there is no space for our youth to voice genuine aspirations. They're scared. I mean, we should not mince words when we say that. And that especially the point of police verifications, which is
Okay.
affecting at least 90% of households in Kashmir.
Okay.
The laws introduced by the previous regimes,
Okay.
that there is a limited scope in parliament. You cannot have 3 members or 1 member getting Article 370 back. Of course, we are going to voice our concern. But there are some achievables. There is achievable in development. If you go to North Kashmir, it's a rural constituency. You go and have a look and see if there are any projects brought by National Conference MPs in the last 50 years. We are promising development. we are promising
but it was
development.
not always National
We are
Conference that
promising-
they
wait.
held. There was PDP also. There was
One
Congress
MP.
also.
You have 24 MPs.
Okay.
In the last 50 years, out of 30 MPs, only 6 MPs have been from different political parties.
Okay,
so they
point
ruled
taken.
95% of the time. It was their MP who was
So
who
is
was
this,
in the
uh,
parliament.
your point
so
is-
we.
so-
First thing they say is National Conference is responsible for everything. They've ruled for 70 years. National Conference has been in power only for 23 years. For 25 years, we've been in jail because the central governments, repeatedly central governments, installed puppet B teams and C teams in Jammu and Kashmir. One of the B teams was Sadiq Sahab's period, during which the Prime Minister's position was converted to the Chief Minister's position. Ghani Loan, Sajad Loan's father, was a cabinet
Come back to
minister.
the
in
present,
that.
please.
Coming to
Come
the
back to
present.
the present,
For
huh.
past 10 years, in Jammu and Kashmir and in India, we have the BJP government. Yet the PC does not have the shame to ask the BJP government a single question.
Okay.
Was it not you, Adnan, who gave an interview to one of the leading newspapers and said that you're happy with delimitation and national delimitation?
That's a lie.
That
Okay,
disempowered
okay, we
us.
need to stop
Read
peddling
the
lies
Hindu.
here.
It was an
We
interview
need to-
given to the
we need to
Pirzada
stop-
Ashik of the
we need to
Hindu.
stop peddling
Okay,
lies.
you
Okay,
rest,
let her
you rest
present
your
the
case
statement.
here.
Okay.
You rest your
Okay.
case here. What about the aspirations of the people of Kashmir?
Madam, aspirations today, in my opinion, the aspirations are the jobs, the well-being of the society.
Absolutely.
The society is drifting towards the hell. So we need to get it back. We won't get
Why
it back.
do you say like that?
Because you see the drug, you see the
But has
society
that
evils.
all that has come down?
Madam,
Insurgency, militancy.
no, I'm
stone
not.
pelting-
I'm saying today, if we are sitting here and talking, it's because of somebody has addressed to the root cause of the militancy.
And who has addressed the root cause of the
Root cause is the present dispensation, whoever it is.
Exactly. So you said it. The present
Yeah,
dispensation.
present dispensation.
Why
Okay,
is-
they they are not a very good administrators.
That's
I must
your
tell
opinion,
you.
but then there are no
it's my
stone
view.
pressing case.
It's
Of course,
my
I
very
respect your view.
yeah. It's
Ah.
my view because okay, they have the cities has gone to the dogs because of their bad planning or whatever. Okay, we have power crisis, and there is a history behind it. Why we
Okay.
have power crisis?
Okay.
This again goes back to those ruling parties who have sold this power at that time, even not reading their contracts, what they are selling to and how they are selling to. So, not going to personal, not talking of too much of history. Today, we
Okay.
need to address the Lok Sabha. We want to have our representatives in the Parliament of India who can raise the voices of the young youth who are unemployed, who are stressful, who do not want to go out of Kashmir for the
able
jobs. They want.
representatives- okay,
Yes,
so,
they have
so
to.
do you have such able representatives
Today,
coming
in
from
my
all political parties?
in my opinion, National Conference has failed to give that representative.
Okay.
We have given
I
a hope.
absolutely
We have
disagree.
Okay. Is there actually a political shift for real in Kashmir after abrogation?
No,
And
I will
if
not say
yes
that
or
there's a
no, but
no.
what are these elections for?
These elections are part of, you see, the larger journey of the Indian polity. And Jammu and Kashmir is part of that story of the political evolution of India as a polity, as a democracy, with all the type of problems that we find in that. But what is very important as far as this election is concerned, that while as issues involved are very substantial,
And what are these
Very
issues? This
heavy.
is exactly what I'm trying to get
But-
focus on, sir.
but the way these issues are being
What are
raised,
these issues? Let's hear it from you. You have seen generations. What are these real issues? You've been
the
privy
real-
to generation, the militancy at the peak, then post militancy, and then abrogation, and then post abrogation.
no, it is not only a post abrogation, even before abrogation also, youth always have, not only in Kashmir, everywhere, but after the abrogation of Article 370, what we have found is that there is a perception within the youth that the Indian state is discriminatory towards the Kashmiri youth.
Okay.
And this sense has gone very deep. And it is not merely for the political players who are working on Jammu and Kashmir to actually assuage it.
Okay.
But the larger
You need to
task
respond
is
to
for
that.
different political formations and for the Indian state to work on that.
Okay.
But what is very important, which I would like to say, is that as a researcher who has somehow done some amount of modest work on issues related to Jammu and Kashmir, I find unnecessarily obsession with National Conference of the people of different political parties, which is merely not only unjust, but it is also sheer ignorance of history also.
Okay.
Because for the
Okay.
simple reason
Okay.
that Sheikh Abdullah and National Conference, for that matter of fact, were out of power after 1947 for larger amount of time. They remained in power 1948 to 1953. But whatever Kashmir you
But the
have
generation
in terms
which is
of
going to
development
vote, sir,
is
but the
precisely
generation
because
which
of
is,
that.
Yes,
That's
but the
one thing.
generation
The
which is
second
going to
thing
vote,
is-
sir, there is a
Yeah.
related question. But the generation which is going to vote in a weeks from now in Srinagar, and after that Kupwara, Baramulla, and then after that Anantnag, is not the generation which were privy to the Sheikh Abdullah's time. Coming back to this, the present of Kashmir and the mustaqbil
That
of
is
Kashmir.
exactly
Yes.
what I would like to say. These political formations in Jammu and Kashmir, big or small, must develop a common minimum program
Which is not
on
there.
how to take Kashmir forward.
Okay.
And Indian state
Huh.
and different political formations and the rest of the country
Okay.
need to also come out positively towards that.
So there are
because it
many-
is not merely
So-
not merely for one political party,
Okay.
one political formation to actually hammer out
Okay.
and find solution to the complex problems of Kashmir.
Which is not
we
a
had
problem
a habit
anymore,
of,
I think
we had a
complex
habit of
problem.
thinking
Okay.
problem of Kashmir.
Okay.
Madam,
Now
I would like-
Sir,
we
there is
need
no
to
problem
actually
now. Huh.
we need to shift to understand the
Understand.
problems
The
related to
problem,
Jammu and
the Kashmir issue is non-issue now. The conflict is over. Yes.
Respectfully to our professor, I would like to mention that, today we are still begging. We go to with a begging bowl to Delhi.
Why do you say that?
Because you look at your budget, look at your look at your expenses. Your
I
economy is
have-
shattered.
You have
You
a massive Kashmir developmental push. You have integrated development of Hazratbal Shrine. There are at least 52 tourism sector under Swadesh Darshan. I have the data.
No, no,
I'm not going to waste everybody's time.
I'm not saying nothing
The
is
money
happening.
is coming. The
No, no,
money is
no,
being pumped.
Yeah,
but is
I'm-
that money being used?
Yeah, I'm saying we are not generating money
Is it
in
not
from the
getting
state.
lapsed? I've been told that the
my-
funds come, but where do the
Yeah,
funds go?
I can
There
explain
was a
you
lot
that.
of digging, sir, prior to G20. Again, I am back post G20. I still see the roads same.
I'm saying that we are not generating revenue from the state.
Okay.
You are still going to the federal government with a beg
that
bowl.
ways. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Why? Because we are still going to that effect of old things, thinking of national conference, PDP, Congress. They have done this. Today's youth is not bothered about that. Today's youth is that the parliament member who is going today, elected in the parliament, he has to make sure he goes to the corporates and get a space and get a job for them.
Okay, all right, point taken. So what are the confidence building measures that these regional parties are now reaching out to the people of Kashmir, because the tables have turned in a way post abrogation of Article 370 and post. We saw the kind of attacks and counter-attacks each were mounting mostly on the national conference. I'm sure because PDP's real representative decided to walk away, so we don't have a PDP representative technically here. We reached out to the Congress party. We also reached out to the Apna party and the Azad Democratic Party. These three representatives also, prior to the show, staged a walkout citing paucity of time. Therefore, coming back to NC as we take the final reactions from all of you, and then I'm going to take questions from the audience, Ifra.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. First thing, Jammu and Kashmir at this point, whatever development we have in terms of the highest HDI, whatever we have rests on Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah's land to the tiller policy and transferring 9 lakh canals of land to people of Jammu and Kashmir. The effect is felt unto this day. One. Point number 2, the PDP person constantly said, what is the national conference done? You failed. Excuse me,
What is
sir.
your poll plan?
Yeah. Just a sec.
Let me simplify it for you.
Let's go back to 2019.
Let's come back to 2024. What is your poll plan? What are you campaigning on?
Our poll plank is, unlike the PDP, whose 2 MPs abstained on voting on Article 370 in 2019, Nazir Lave and Mir Fayaz, they ran away, did not vote.
Okay.
National Conference did not run away. It did not run away then, and it will not run away now. The third poll and the last point I'm making, this debate should tell you what is happening on ground. It is National Conference versus the BJP and everybody. We have defeated them here, and we will defeat them on ground.
Now, before I go to BJP, so did it not disappoint you, the kind of solid silence that you get to hear from your partners, the alliance partners, on abrogation of Article 370? They are talking about it not in their manifestos but in their rallies.
You see, Sakal, abrogation of Article 370 started in 2014 with BJP, PC, PDP government. So I don't want to go back to 2014, but I will say at this point, our main agenda is to defeat the BJP in center, and we are there as a part of India Alliance for everything. Article 370 abrogation is one
your
thing.
alliance intact?
Yes, we are fighting the India National Conference on 5 seats in Jammu and Kashmir. India Alliance is fighting together on 5 seats.
Without
we are
PDP.
fighting together. I mean, India Alliance has declared the candidates.
So
we are fighting as a part of India Alliance. Some political party decides not to fight as a part of India Alliance. You can ask that question, but India Alliance remains intact. It's fighting together.
Yes, BJP.
I have 2 questions to ask Ifra because she talked about the article.
Before that, I have a question for you. Why are you not contesting, and what is brewing between you and Apni Party and People's Conference?
Bharatiya Janata Party want to win the hearts of the Kashmiri people.
How will you win the hearts if you don't get elected or represented adequately?
I will answer. Lot of people, lot of political parties, be it the National Conference, PDP or the Congress, they used to put the gun towards the Bharatiya Janata Party that they are power hungry. If we are the power hungry,
अच्छा आप sacrifice कर रहे हैं?
Just a minute.
आप sacrifice कर रहे हैं?
Even just our political opponents, they used to say Bharatiya Janata Party will win the Anantnag seat.
Okay.
the Bharatiya Janata Party will win the another seat. But for the people of Kashmir, we have sacrificed all these three seats. All
So it's a sacrifice you're making.
yeah, it's a sacrifice because the thing is for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. We want to give road back to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It's a sacrifice, I can say.
Okay.
So my question is,
Why sacrifice?
because it's for the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
No, but I don't get the logic. Why sacrifice? Why did you not contest?
We are going to contest.
Do you
election.
have a cadre here?
We have a cadre because we have a cadre.
Are you supporting some newly formed outfits?
No, we are not supporting any. We are supporting.
Are you supporting somebody sitting
we
on
are
your
not,
left?
No, we are not supporting.
Are you
anybody.
sure?
100%.
This is on a national channel?
We are 100%. We are not supporting any political party. Just a minute. We are not supporting any political party. We are supporting not any particular party. We are supporting like-minded political party.
Okay,
Now, it's
we are
up to
not
you.
supporting political parties, but we are supporting like-minded political parties. So which are these like-minded political parties? Tell me.
So if
I gave you enough rest in the first half. Second half,
The
BJP
question
answer.
you've been itching to ask.
Okay. So, so let me tell you one thing. You are saying who are the like-minded?
Yes.
Those people who are working on the ground for the Jammu and Kashmir, we will support.
Have you
them. Be it the
identified
national
those
conference.
people?
Thank
Be
you.
it the national conference.
We
Has,
want you to
okay,
hit us.
all
Just
right.
just
Now
just
that's a
get it
revelation.
after
That's
that.
a revelation that BJP is also pandering towards national conference. They
Please,
say
that's
that
what we
they
saw
say
on
that
the
there are
channel.
no
That's what you
permanent
saw on
enemies
the
and
panel.
friends in politics.
You saw how
You
much
said-
they hated me.
They-
Now they.
it seems
but
like she is not very happy with you
Your president.
leaning
your
towards her.
president. Just a sec. Your home minister. Amit Shah Saab.
What is your
in
home minister?
Udhampur-
Home minister belongs to
Our
you
home
as well.
minister.
What is
Our
your home
He's
minister?
the same home
Yes.
minister
Yes.
Farooq Abdullah was
Yes.
begging to
no,
on
no,
national
no,
TV.
Home minister belongs to
Our
everyone.
home minister Amit Shah
Please, एक
Saab
second.
in Udhampur says अभी पिछले हफ्ते आए थे in
Sajid, you got to
Udhampur he
react to
says
that.
yes
हाँ.
in Udhampur Amit Shah Saab says that he is supporting everyone except the National Conference and the INC. So is your home minister lying or are you lying here? Please
Sajid.
tell us that your home minister is lying.
I will respond.
हाँ, बोलो.
On one side, National Conference is claiming we are not part of BJP. I want to ask a single question. Why, after the abrogation of Article 370, they joined hands with Bharatiya Janata Party in Ladakh in concert?
I'll
yes,
respond.
respond to that.
In Ladakh, we did not join hands. Our alliance was with the PDP. The entire PDP cadre became the BJP cadre the next day. They all
So you
moved to
had-
BJP.
yeah, so you
the
had
alliance
defections
continued.
problem there.
In the
You-
last election,
Yes.
plus one point. In the last election in Ladakh that was held, the Kargil election, India alliance defeated the BJP out of 26 seats. National
right.
Conference and INC got 23,
All right,
and
all
these
right,
guys
all
were
right,
got
all
into
right,
3 seats.
all right.
That is
Yes,
who we
yes.
are.
Last question.
No, it's
Pucho.
not question
Should-
and answer session between two of you. You're not addressing my question. You're still. I don't forget my questions. BJP, we want to know what are your like-minded political outfits / parties that you're looking
Time
for.
will decide when the voting will happen. No? You will
Acha.
see the.
They don't even have a candidate.
Just a second. You will see the change. You will see the face. Those people who will win the election, they will be supported by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, People's Conference.
Okay, these are the closing remarks.
Yes.
Let me answer it for the BJP first.
Why are you answering on behalf
I
of the
think
BJP?
because when BJP says that they want to win the hearts and minds, they're lying through their teeth.
Okay.
The real reason is that they understand that the people of Kashmir will never accept them. That in the last elections they got 1% vote in North Kashmir, they got 500 votes in Srinagar, and now if they repeated the same results, what would they tell the people of India that okay, we abrogated 370, we were telling you for the last 6 years that every Kashmiri is happy, but look, when they went to the ballot,
Okay, so
they
besides
told they did not.
attacking BJP,
The
Time will
BJP
decide.
lacks.
Time will decide.
Okay.
This
BJP
conference will not
understands that
decide.
Okay.
no Kashmiri is with them.
What was
that
the
no
thing?
Kashmiri.
Okay, hold on.
Wait. You
Huh,
already
huh,
made your
huh,
point.
huh, Okay.
And second, in terms of the importance of these parliament elections,
Yes.
I think these
This is the point.
parliament elections assume extreme significance since there has been no representation of Kashmiris in the last 5-7 years.
Yeah.
I know we had 3 MPs, but I think those 3 MPs have been mute spectators even on the August 5th.
Absolutely
and
not.
Wait,
Okay,
you've
okay,
already
okay.
made your
Absolutely
point.
not. They were
You
the
already
only
made your
people who
point.
spoke.
We cannot have the national
Okay, Adnan,
conference
jaldi.
policing-
Quick. I need to take
policing,
questions from the audience also.
us.
Yes.
Okay, wait. So this election assumes significance that we need to send, I'm not talking about just one seat, from all 3 seats of Kashmir division. We need to send people who are genuinely going to represent
say
the
thank
voices.
you BJP, मुझे passport दिया. BJP
Why
ने
are you
मुझे
getting so
passport
riled
दिया.
up? We've had no representation at all in the last 5 years. I think even the representation in parliament.
So what is the promise that you're making to them?
Okay,
What
let
is
me
the
make
promise?
point.
I mean, come to
Let
the
me
point.
make the point. Even the representation in the last 50 years has been inadequate.
Okay.
I think we need to send somebody who will not take confrontation with the members of parliament in parliament. I
Okay.
think we need to create an environment
Okay.
where the
All
people
right.
of India through the parliament
All right.
will
Can we have the
understand
mic? Yes.
the pain of Kashmiris in the last 70 years.
Okay,
I think
enough
there
of
has been.
sermonizing.
I
Enough
think-
of sermonizing. Let's have quick questions, please.
I
Yeah.
don't as such have any questions. I just have some requests and some points to make. One, to National Conference, please stop hoping for a monolithic single party system in Kashmir.
respond, yeah.
We want democracy to thrive here. Let all hues of ideologies be represented at the ballot.
Okay. So is this time over where there was this concentration of power between the two parties? Is that era of Kashmir politics
Certainly,
over?
certainly.
Okay, fine.
There is certainly decentralization of power,
All right.
but we want it to thrive.
All right.
I might have a political affiliation,
Okay.
but I
All
should
right.
not expect
I got your
everybody
point.
else to have the same
Okay, point taken,
outlook.
point taken, yes.
My question is to BJP representative who is in the panel.
Sure.
He said that BJP, as we saw, BJP is in whole India. BJP is saying that people are happy in Jammu and Kashmir. We have scrapped 370 and 35A. My question to him: what exigency demands them to scrap internet here when in 2019?
Okay, okay.
What exigency demands them? They scrapped this internet.
They said it was because of the law and order, to control the law and order. That was.
They arrested our leaders. They arrested our regional leaders.
BJP.
What
Okay,
exigency
point
demands
taken,
them
point taken,
to
point
arrest?
taken.
When
Okay.
everything was good, when everything was happy, what exigency demands them to arrest our leaders?
This is the agony and the pain of the Kashmiris that we are having some panelists from the political parties who are actually speaking about their political parties and not about the
People of the Kashmir.
what they are feeling, what's their pain.
Yes.
And my question goes to all the panelists. First to National Conference, if they are asking us this time, the people, that you should vote for their candidates, I just want to ask them
Why
what
should
makes them qualify to go again to the parliament where they had a chance to speak on Article 370. See, I as a person who was sitting in my home and I was locked down, I belong from Nauhata downtown. So at that time, I had certain answers in my mind, which if I was given the chance to answer, I would have tell those parliamentarians who came from National Conference that you should speak like this.
What is your
At the
question?
time, Home Minister said that I will give you whole day to debate on Article 370. But this is how they have failed us.
Okay.
So what qualifies them to go again to the parliament? Yeah, please, you will answer. What qualifies you to go again to the parliament and speak on these issues?
Okay.
And in the meantime, to other political parties like PC or BJP, what qualifies you to go to the parliament and what are your milestones that you want to achieve and that you promise to the people?
You're very angry with the political dispensation, the
Definitely.
cutting across party lines. You think
Definitely.
all of them have failed you?
Yeah, definitely.
What's your
definitely.
name?
My name is Azhar Hussain. I'm a
Azhar,
journalist.
you come
by
from
profession.
downtown.
Yeah.
Has downtown changed for good?
I
The
think-
the downtown concept.
See, the concept of the downtown, it has been always
It used
demonized.
to be a no-go zone.
Yeah, it, ha-
no
it has
go
been,
zone.
It has been demonized, but you have to see the political discourse. Why everybody is bringing
No,
up...
but is it a different downtown
Yeah,
today?
definitely
That
it
is
is.
exactly my
Yeah,
question.
that is your question, but you need to understand historically, if you see why everybody is bringing history here, because history is the key to understand the Kashmir problem. Since 1953, when we
Okay.
had plebiscite friend,
Okay.
you need to see that when this two thoughts or two nation thing started in Kashmir, it was 1953 when plebiscite friend started. It preceded all the militant outfits that came afterwards. That either you have to go with Pakistan or you can go with India or you can remain independent.
Come back to the...
So again, not going to the history, I just want to ask these esteemed panelists to
Okay.
answer.
One last thing to understand from you. You seem to be a very seasoned journalist. If I am interpreting your question correctly, there has been a lack of intent from all political parties, particularly the regional workhorses who have ruled here, to see to it that the aspirations of the people of Kashmir are met. The intention was missing.
I'll tell you one thing, that the political parties in Kashmir have a different kind of mindset. They feel what they think and what they do in the desk, in their offices, it is the public opinion. So actually you need to go on ground, you need to talk with the people.
Okay.
And afterwards get
All right.
what people want.
Got it, got it. Sahil Bashir, I'm very sorry. I couldn't get time to come to you because obviously National Conference, People Conference, BJP, what they were doing. Sahil, what is your assessment now?
See, Sakal, my assessment is very clear. Every political party after 2019, they're coming with their own agendas, with their own manifestos. But to be very clear and to be very honest, they miserably failed to deliver on the...
When I asked you this question, I meant that there has definitely been an uptick in tourism post 2019. There has been 100% downslide in cases of terror. Pelting is thing of past, separatism is over and done with, insurgency is done with. There is this new template of normalcy at least, and it has got nothing to do with BJP or conference or NC or PDP. I have spoken to a lot of members from the civil society. This normalcy thing now you talk about, it is there. Your children are going to school.
Exactly.
Your children are, but your generation, I don't think you ever had the opportunity to go to school or college uninterrupted.
And it was, I'll remind one more thing to public. It was, if I'm not wrong, it's 2,800 and some days which have been recorded as hartals and curfews in past 32 years. And if we cumulate into years, it's more than 7 years.
Okay, all right.
The people of Jammu and Kashmir, the markets were closed, hundreds
And
of
now,
crores of loss.
now,
No, I mean, we are here.
okay, I'm coming to you.
And if I can see, it's
Yes,
late night.
let's wrap up,
And I think it's now beautiful.
Whether you call it peace or muscular peace, the end of the day, there should not be any bloodshed on the roads. And I think that is when I, as a woman, walk out safely. Well, in Kashmir, women always walk out safely. But I'm just generally talking about the time, if I'm not mistaken, that gone are the days when, oh my God, it's 8 p.m. I have to go back home. That time is over. Anyway,
because Kashmiri men are good people. That doesn't
yes,
go to
I
the
totally
BJP.
get that.
That's because
Kashmiris never
Kashmiri
favored
men
bloodshed. They were
make
victims
women
of terror.
feel safe.
Hold on,
That's
hold on,
because Kashmiri
hold on.
society
Okay,
makes
we
women
need to
feel
wrap up
safe.
here.
It's
But
not
before
because
that,
of the BJP.
National
The credit goes to Kashmiri men.
Why are you so overwhelmed,
Because
National
that is
Conference?
it.
Let
Because
the
the
results
credit for
come.
women's safety
Let
does
the-
not
let
go
the
to the
results
BJP.
come. Okay,
It
I'm
goes
going
to the society of
Hold
Kashmir.
on. Okay, fine. Sir, I want to final comments from everyone. Yes, final comments, 30 seconds each. Yes.
Closing remarks would be that we have got a
Where
chance.
Lok Sabha 2024
Yes, we have got a
triggered Naya
chance.
Kashmir template for real, new Kashmir for
New
real,
Kashmir
and for good.
template. They are for good, subject.
Please,
They're good, subject to the people of Kashmir. They come out and participate in the democratic process on these dates which are coming. They should come out and franchise the votes.
There are
That
no
will-
hartal calls.
There are no hartal
this
calls.
not
Number
Naya
one.
Kashmir?
Number two. In the previous
There are no
parliament,
Bandh calls, there
yeah,
are no posters
in the
scattered
previous
everywhere.
in
Is
the
this not
previous
Naya
parliament in the previous parliament elections,
Yes.
we
Okay,
had
okay,
we
okay,
had
okay.
hardly 10% of votes.
Okay.
So that also triggered the problem,
ठीक
the
है.
political problem. So therefore, the people should come out. They should vote. They should positively
All
see
right.
the agendas
All right.
and vote for the right
Okay, sir.
candidates.
Okay, I conceptualize, rather reconceptualize the concept of New Kashmir
Okay.
by making this assertion that the day Kashmiri Pandits, and they have a right to return. It is not that they
It's a
return,
home.
they have a
Yes.
right to return. When they return and live along with their Kashmiri Muslim brethren, that precisely is the definition of a normal Kashmir.
Okay.
For me, one.
Sure.
The second thing is that, very important.
And if I may ask you here, pardon me for my ignorance, which political party out of these three or those who are absent have even spoken about that in their manifesto? Have they?
You see, there is a problem in the sense
Exactly.
that
So it's
not
just a
many
selective.
people have, not
Yeah.
many people have taken note of that.
No, but
That
manifesto.
the normal communication between the communities has broken down post 1919. And one has to actually
So
search
pundits
for the
don't
reasons for
pundits.
that. I am in my
The
own
plight
way,
of pundits
I
is
am-
not a problem with NC or PDP. They don't feel their pain anymore because they think that pundits, Kashmiri pundits, are not their constituency. They feel that Kashmiri pundits are not their vote bank.
There can be, I mean, there can be many other reasons. I would not go into that. But what is very important is that we ought to have a new social contract.
Okay.
As far as I repeat, I
Sure,
said
sir.
it earlier, I will repeat it.
Okay.
There is a need for a new social contract for a rebuilding the Jammu and Kashmir state. One, that it is not something. And you see, so much about decentralization. I mean, the question is that you have not to wait for.
Okay.
Article
Point taken.
370 was.
Point taken, sir. Yes.
I second Professor Saab's statements about
Final comments.
returning of normalcy would be complete when our Kashmiri Pandit brethren would return to the valley. I second him on that. And I think, we're over-harping Naya Kashmir. I think what we need is a Naya Kashmiri representative.
Okay.
Who genuine, when I say, I know it's a cliche to represent the genuine aspirations, but in real sense represents the genuine
Not from the
aspirations.
elite
which can be
families.
which may be political, which may be economic, which may be aspirational in terms of their own personal growth, which may be in terms of tourism, in terms of horticulture. And I think we need to put an end to the era of politics of confrontation with Delhi. I think whichever government comes in the center, be it Congress, be it BJP, be it the
PC
left,
doesn't
or
have
be
a
it-
confrontationalist attitude with the center?
Wait,
or
because,
the BJP?
because for the last 70 years, we've had a confrontational attitude with
You
the
want to
center.
break that
and
jinx?
everybody,
you want to break
it's
that
for
jinx?
everybody to see where that has landed us in 2019, in 2024.
So you're
we
saying-
want,
Huh.
like Professor Saab said, a new social contract. I think we need somebody, we need to send a voice who will not mince words to express the real pain of Kashmiri. I know that's a cliche, but the
Point
real
taken.
pain of Kashmiri entails many things. It
Okay.
entails
Point
humiliation faced by the BJP government since 2019. It entails humiliations faced by the people of Kashmir at the hands of the National Conference and the PDP governments.
Okay.
It entails humiliation faced by
Okay,
the people of
okay.
Kashmir
Got
in the
it,
rest
got
of
it.
India.
Okay.
So we want somebody who pitches for an equal Kashmiri in the new India, as they call it.
Okay.
Unless we are not equal, we
Okay.
do not have equal rights.
Got it.
We do not have the same laws
Okay.
applicable in Jammu and Kashmir which are applicable elsewhere.
Okay.
I don't think that until then you
Got
can
it,
call
got it.
Jammu and
Okay,
Kashmir
okay, BJP.
integrated.
I would like to conclude with the advocate Saab. He was saying we want a permanent peace in the Kashmir Valley. I urge the people of Kashmir to keep the national conference away from Jammu and Kashmir so that you can see the permanent peace in the Jammu and Kashmir.
Only national conference?
Only
Why not
national
others?
conference.
You're okay with others?
I'm not okay with others because he asked the
You are
question.
urging them to keep. No. I mean, what you have to.
I'm
Yeah.
if I was expecting the PDP spokesperson to be there. Just a second.
Okay,
I was
okay,
expecting
let
the
him- let
PDP
him-
and
let him
Congress spokesperson to be here, but they are not here.
Huh.
They are not here. Ifra
Okay.
is here, so I'm
Okay.
asking the question to her.
Okay. Finally, Ifra.
Two things I would like to say. First thing, I as a woman in Jammu and Kashmir feel safe, not because somebody decided to abrogate some law in the center.
I think women in
It's
Jammu and
because-
Kashmir were always
No,
safe.
exactly. It's
No,
because
I'm sorry.
the credit,
Crime against
Exactly.
women as compared to other
Sakal,
states.
let me finish,
crime
please.
against women as compared to other states in
Absolutely.
Jammu and Kashmir
And the
have been
credit-
zero, dismally low.
And the credit for that goes to the men sitting here. It goes to the
It goes to
Kashmiri
the conditioning
society,
of Kashmiri
and it goes
mindset
to
as
our
well.
I think it also
society.
goes to our
National
mothers,
conference or the PDP. It
not
goes
just
to
the
the
men, but the
Kashmiri
mothers,
mindset
the
conditioning.
Kashmiri mothers who.
Let's come to the politics, Ifra. Final point.
It does not go
Why
to
should
some
they vote you?
abrogation.
Why should
Number
they
two,
vote you? Why
what do we
should they
need to-
vote you? Why
Exactly.
should you come to power?
Why
first?
should we come to
Okay,
power?
okay,
Yes.
okay.
Let me answer that question, Sakal. National Conference wants an end to the proxy rule from Delhi, whether the Bakshi's proxy rule, the Sadiq's proxy rule, the Mir Qasim's proxy rule, Janta Party's proxy rule, and the proxy rule in 2014. The fact that let people vote and do not bring in proxy parties. In last 70 years, the proxy parties have ruled for 50 years, and National Conference only for 25 years. End this proxy
All
rule.
right.
That is the plan of
Proxy
National
war
Still
or
wrong
war.
facts,
I need
32
to
years.
say, I'm sorry, we are really now running short of time. We need to wrap it up here. I'm going to quickly thank all my panelists. Ifra Jahan from the National Conference, Sajid Yusuf from the BJP, Also Adnan Mir from People's Conference, also thanking Professor Gulwani, senior political analyst. I request you to please keep seated here. Thank you very much. Also Zafar Mir Saab, and also thanking Sahil Bashir on being part of this show. So actually we'll have to really wait and watch till 4th of June when the mandate of the people of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is going to be out. Remember, 3 more phases, in fact, fiercely contested. They call it hot seats. 3 phases and 3 seats are still in the fray, where there is a very, very fierce battle, multi-pronged battle. Congress, National Conference, PDP, People's Conference, and smaller outfits like Apni Party and Azad Party, all in the fray. But at the end of the day, it's the electorate of the Jammu Kashmir, which gets to have a final say of the so-called paradigm shift of this Naya Kashmir template, the new Kashmir. With that, thank you very much. We can put our hands together for making it a very, very engaging show, and thank you all of you for making my job tough, because you really, really were fighting with each other. Don't fight with the anchor, but please keep your fights decibel level low. And thank you very much, the viewers of DD India, for watching this special edition of Poll Pulse India Decides 2024 from Firdaus, from Jannat, from Kashmir. Adab, thank you.